Hi, my name is Quantran and I want to show you how to reduce the crew's downtime by having the ability to add holes on the fly. I have a blast loaded on screen and I wanted to add holes to the existing blast. The old method requires to redesign the pattern and update in BlastLogic, which can be a time-consuming process. Now I'm using the Ad Hoc function in drill data entry, I can demonstrate how I can add holes on the fly. So let me open up the panel. So here's the drill data entry. A typical example of this on a mine site is when one of the blast crews will radio into the engineers to add new holes to the existing blasts. This could also be handled with drill validation, which auto imports drill holes from the drill navigation system. So in this panel here, I got my drill data entry, just fill in my relevant information. I'll highlight my blast. So that's my blast on screen. Let's just zoom into a certain area. So say I want to add a new hole between 93 and 94. So I click on Ad Hoc hole, indicate my new location, and give it a name, so new hole 1. And together with this, there's an option to apply design fields to the newly created hole. So here I can click on all and add all these fields in to the current hole. So before I add this in, you see at the moment now I have 157 holes. So once I press OK and update it, it should add extra holes, so it should be 158. So let's go and do that. Press OK to confirm it. You see now it changes. Up here I've got 158 holes, and you see I've got a new hole created, new hole 1, and that's going to be updated in the corresponding sheets, in the backfill sheet, the chart sheet, and the dip sheet. So as this is updated in the desktop, the tablet should reflect this. So what I can do is I can go to my tablet. So let's go to the tablet. Before you do anything, tablets must be synced or updated. So if I go to sync, that's going to get the updated information from the desktop. I go back to my sheets, go to my corresponding sheet. This one's called Blast, and choose my crew and supervisor. So now if I zoom into that area, I've got a new hole, and I'm ready to dip and log new relevant information. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any other questions, please contact the nearest Maptek office. Thank you. Bye.